Hello everyone, welcome to BTPS. Today we are performing insert operation in asp.net core application. So open your Visual Studio. We have Visual Studio 2019. So then we open now and create a new project. And we select asp.net core web application and click next. Rename our application name and select the template. We have some templates for the asp.net core 2.0 2.1 sorry, and select the asp.net model view controller, web application model view controller, and create the and open solution explorer. Then I see we have some folders and some files like controller, models and views. In the asp.net core application we have a main method like this, and then this main method create a web host builder and call to the startup file. And for then I am performing the insert operation in database using the asp.net core application. So then we create a database in the SQL server. We have SQL server 2008 R2 version, and then we just open this and click on the database, right click on the database, new database. And we see we have a database, and the create a new table. Go to the new query and write a and we write a query for creating a table, and then execute the query and see we have a table. And the student table have contained ID, name and city and subjects. And switch to the Visual Studio, and we have a controller folder, and we see controller folder contain a home controller, and open the home controller. open the home controller and delete all action methods. In the home controller we have some delete action method like index, about, contact. We just delete the action methods. And create a new action method. And add a new view for this action method, and the right click in the action method, and we see a sub menu, add view, and the click on the add view, we have a new window. But before creating a view, we just create a model class for the student, and then just go to solution explorer and the right click on the models folder and add a new class. Select the class and rename the class student and click, and we have a student class. And create a model class and with some properties, the properties like ID, name, city and subject, because my table have some columns like ID, name, city and subject. So then we create these properties on our student class, and just see ID, and we save the model class, and then just right click on the our index action method and add view and view name and template. We just insert some data in our database, so just we choose the create template, and model class is also student, and add and replace, because action method is also action view, index view is also created. So then we just click on the replace, and we see we have a new view, and then we just run our application for the seeing designs and our view. Yeah, we have a default template, and we have some field like id, name, city and subject, but I don't need a id field for inserting the database. So then just we delete this field on our view. And the create a post action method for the student action method. Creating a new post action method. HTTP post, and make this index method as a HTTP get method. And pass a parameter type of student. And create SQL connection class object for establishing connection to the database. SQL connection class in this namespace system.data.sql client, and create a SQL class SQL connection object and go to the SQL server for server name for creating a connection string, and switch to the SQL server and click on the connect button, and we have server name, and copy this and go to the server explorer and connect to database and paste our server name and select a database, student database, and copy the connection string. Go to the property window and copy the connection string. And paste on our SQL connection class constructor. And create a SQL command object for the execute some query in our database. and supply the connection class object in the SQL command class and write some query. And we write a query for the inserting some data in the database. And call the SQL command object execute non-query method. And run our application for testing the and write some name. And just click on the create button, and we just see in the our index post method we have we have our data on the posted data, our city name, subjects and name, and click continue. And data is inserted, so we just confirm. So then we just go to the SQL server and execute select query. See here, we have a data, we have a row, name, BTPS, KNP and subjects, and our application is successful work. And for more information about this, so we just subscribe our channel and go to our institute in the BTPS Kanpur. It's a training institute for the Java, C#, and asp.net, PHP and more. So we just visit at first time, and thank you for watching this video, and like, share and subscribe our channel.